What's up, everybody? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel once again. Today we're going to go over a quick tutorial on clear mylar corners. This is a really sweet trendy design where you can actually see through the tip of the free edge. So you're going to start by removing all of this old set, addressing any of the issues that need to be addressed, such as lifting. Now, and remember that if you do not address lifting or any air pockets when you are doing a fill for a client, you risk and run the chance of getting bacteria caught into underneath the nail plate and the natural nail bed. So please take your time, take the 5 seconds and address it. Don't just pretend it's not there, and you will save yourself a lot of headache later. If you're not careful, you can definitely cause some massive damage to the natural nail. But if you are experienced and understand and respect your e-file, it's going to be your biggest tool at your desk. Because having to address these lifting issues without a e-file would take forever. Now we're going to go ahead, and once you've addressed any of the lifting areas and air pockets, we're going to go in with a medium grit arbor band and prep the natural nail bit on the on the e-file's lowest speed, making sure not to create any unnecessary grooves in the natural nail plate. You're going to go ahead and cleanse the nail bed. You're going to apply your prime and prep of your choice. Proceed with completing the backfill of the client's acrylic nails. When I finished this client's backfill, I went ahead and I pre-shaped it because we're going to be doing the clear mylar corners. You kind of got to have your shape already set. I was trying to figure out how I was going to keep the corner lines symmetrical, so I used an old trick I picked up at an old class. And I used a pencil to shade in the free edge so that I could cut out and actually see how sharp, how wide that corner was going to be, how sharp that line was going to be. Once I was satisfied with the width of the line, I went ahead and applied a little bit of acrylic, applied my Mylar, and completely encapsulated it. Now, I know I already filed, but because we went ahead and added more product to the natural nail, we need to go ahead and finish file on the exterior perimeter of the natural nail, of the nail enhancement. Do the final shaping of the actual extension, the apex, strength area, and so forth. Once I was done shaping and I was satisfied with everything, I went ahead and buffed, cleansed the nail plate. and applied nail labo Presto nail polish made in Japan at number 97 to the nail bed and existing free edge of the nail, not covering, making sure not to cover the Mylar addition we just went ahead and added. Went ahead and did 2 coats of that creamy pink polish, top coat, and voila, we're done. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel and spending some time with me today. Make sure that you thumbs up my video. Take a look at the rest of the videos on my channel. Definitely find me on social media and follow your girl. I will see y'all soon. Thanks so much. Take care.